In this tutorial, we'll show you a C Excel Interop workaround. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use IronXL to read and access Excel files without interop. We'll demonstrate how to load an Excel file and access worksheet and retrieve cell values. I have already installed IronXL, so let's go ahead and jump into the program.cs file. So first we load the Excel file by creating a workbook object. So in this example, we loaded a file named sample.xlsx. And this workbook contains various worksheets, and we'll focus on one specific worksheet for this tutorial. Next, we access the worksheet titled 2022 Budget using the Get Worksheet method. This allows us to interact with the data within that particular worksheet. To retrieve a single cell, we access cell A5 from the worksheet and convert its value to a string. Then we print this value to the console. And this is useful for extracting specific pieces of information from your Excel files. Now let's demonstrate how to retrieve multiple cells using a loop. We'll use the range function to specify a range of cells. So in this case, B2 to B10. By iterating over this range with a for each loop, we can print the value of each cell within the specified range. This method is super efficient for accessing and displaying multiple cell values from your Excel worksheet. All right, so let's run the program and wait for the output to pop up on the console. All right, here we go. And it shows all extracted values. Done. This concludes our tutorial on how to access and read Excel files without interop. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe if you like some more videos from us. And if you'd like to try out the software yourself, there's a link in the description. You can sign up, download, install it, and check out the power of the software yourself.